Hello there. So this is how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So first thing you're going to need to do is head over to roblox.com, and then if you look at the top right corner, you're going to find this gear icon. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to get this drop down menu, and the first option is settings, so click on settings. Now, the thing is about the voice chat feature is that you have to be 13 or above to actually enable it. So you need to verify your age. So all you're going to need to do is just head over to this verify my age button and click on it. Oh, here we go. So just wait for it to load up and bingo. Okay, so you get this QR code and all you need to do is just scan it with your phone and just follow the instructions. You're gonna need to take a picture of yourself as a selfie for verification purposes, and you're gonna need to take a picture of your valid government ID, or it could be a passport. Now, I just did the verification and it didn't take long at all. It took maybe a minute, 2 minutes tops. So go ahead and click on close. And then in the settings, you need to enable your voice chat, so go to privacy. Now at the top of the page, you're going to find an enable voice chat button. You need to make sure that it's toggled on. And this is how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Hope the video is helpful.